This video is all about Act 3 Scene 4 Merchant of Venice. Now this is introductory one, and Act 3 Scene 4 is obviously larger than the previous scene, Act 3 Scene 3. This scene is very vital as we are going to see Portia's action and few more interesting events and important events we are going to find here, and we can link these scenes to the previous scenes. So this video will discuss about linking this scene to the previous scenes, and further what is the significance, dramatic significance of this particular scene, and the characters as well as their activities here. So this is an introduction to Act 3 Scene 4. Kindly watch this one with utmost care. So what makes Act 3 Scene 4 special? That is Lorenzo and Portia's conversation, first of all. Secondarily, we will see that Portia will hand over all the authority into the hands of Lorenzo by having a great task on him. So first thing we are going to notice that Lorenzo conversation with Portia. Next, what we are going to see, Lorenzo taking charge of Portia's palace. Third thing we are going to notice, Portia leaving for Venice. There is introduction of Balthazar, and at last we are going to see Portia's plan. Now, first thing I would like to tell you, at the end of the scene, Portia will go to Venice in disguise. She will be in the disguise of a lawyer, a doctor of law, and at Venice he will take the name of the pen name of Bellario. In reality, Bellario is her cousin who lives in Rome, and he will take some study notes from Bellario to how to deal with the matter, and that very learning she will apply in Venice. Further, we are going to see the Lorenzo being a great flatterer. He will start flirting with Portia, making her believe in him, and further he will get the authority of the palace of Portia and also the master of all the servants. Now, what we are going to see in this particular scene further, that Portia has decided that she will go to Venice, but all the people of her palace, the servants and other attendants, would not know that Portia has gone to Venice. Instead, they would believe that Portia and Nerissa both have gone to the nearby church or the nearby monastery, and there should be living as maid and widow. Portia as widow and Nerissa as maid, as if they have no husband at all. So they will just spare this particular period of time. Though it is a sad moment for both of them not having their husband just after their marriage, but they will spend this time. But actually the reality is something else. They have planned within them, they had a plan within themselves that they will go to Venice in disguise. So this is a very interesting part of this particular drama, and disguise is a very common characteristic of Shakespeare drama. If we look at Twelfth Night, there was disguise. That Viola was a character who was in disguise. If we look at other scenes or other dramas also, will find disguise. Just like King Lear, where we'll find that King Lear will visit the kingdom in disguise. And same is the case with As You Like It. we'll find Celia and Rosalind both were in disguise. So this disguise is a very important part in that period of time, because the audience used to like that one. They used to like that the female are in male costume, male are in female costume, and some funny elements would arise. At the same time, there will be interest and there will be keenness that what will happen next. Even in this drama, we have found in previous scenes that Jessica was in disguise. So this particular part of this drama ensures Portia's venture to save Antonio's life. And the further statements made by the character will be of great use. The character we have here: Portia, Nerissa, Lorenzo, Jessica, Balthazar. And further we have the name of Bellario. Here we have the name of Bellario. So all these things are going to be very crucial in this scene. Now there is the error regarding the time, that within so little time 3 months got over, is obviously a matter of discussion, but not a matter of great importance. So hopefully we will avoid that one, and this part we should go thoroughly. Thank you.